Welcome to this lesson on peer-to-peer networks. In this video, we'll explore how peer-to-peer technology enables direct transactions without middlemen and understand why this is such a revolutionary concept in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. This is a fundamental building block that makes decentralized systems possible. A peer-to-peer network, often abbreviated as P2P, is a distributed network where participants connect directly with each other. Instead of going through a central server or authority, users share resources and information directly among themselves. Think of it like talking to your friend face-to-face instead of passing messages through a third person. There's no middleman controlling or monitoring the conversation. Each participant has equal power and responsibility in the network. Let's compare traditional centralized systems with peer-to-peer networks. In a traditional centralized system, all transactions must flow through a central authority. This authority controls, verifies, and processes every single exchange. Think of a bank where every transaction goes through their servers and requires their approval. In contrast, peer-to-peer networks allow participants to interact directly with each other. There's no single point of control, and no intermediary is required to facilitate the exchange. This fundamental difference is what makes blockchain technology so powerful. In a blockchain network, peer-to-peer architecture works through independent nodes. Each node is essentially a computer that participates in the network. Every node stores a full copy of the blockchain, which means the data is distributed across thousands of computers worldwide. Each node validates transactions independently using the same set of rules, ensuring accuracy without needing a central authority. When a transaction occurs, it's broadcast to all peers in the network simultaneously. This distributed approach ensures that no single party has complete control over the system. Eliminating intermediaries offers 4 major benefits. First, peer-to-peer transactions are faster because there's no waiting for third-party approval or processing delays. Everything happens directly between participants. Second, they're cheaper since there are no middleman fees or transaction charges eating into your money. Third, peer-to-peer networks are more secure because there's no single point of failure. If one node goes down, the network continues operating. There's also no central target for hackers to attack. Fourth, peer-to-peer systems provide global access, meaning anyone with an internet connection can participate without needing permission or facing geographical restrictions. Let's walk through a real-world example using Bitcoin. Imagine Alice wants to send Bitcoin to Bob. First, Alice initiates the transaction from her digital wallet. She doesn't need to contact a bank or payment processor. Instead, the transaction is broadcast directly to the peer-to-peer network. Next, thousands of nodes across the network independently validate the transaction, checking that Alice has sufficient funds and that all the rules are followed. Once validated, the transaction is added to the blockchain. Finally, Bob receives the Bitcoin directly in his wallet. The entire process happens without any bank, payment processor, or financial institution involved. This is the power of peer-to-peer cryptocurrency transactions. Peer-to-peer networks have 4 key characteristics that make them unique. First, they are decentralized, meaning no single entity controls the network. Power and responsibility are distributed among all participants. Second, they are distributed, with data stored across multiple nodes instead of one central location. This distribution prevents data loss and ensures availability. Third, peer-to-peer networks are resilient. Even if some nodes fail or go offline, the network continues to function normally. This robustness is crucial for maintaining reliability. Fourth, these networks are transparent. All transactions are visible to participants, creating accountability and trust. Everyone can verify what's happening on the network without relying on a central authority's word. Let's recap the key points from this lesson. Peer-to-peer networks enable direct transactions between participants without intermediaries. Cryptocurrencies leverage this technology to eliminate the need for banks and other financial middlemen. The benefits are clear: lower costs, faster transaction speeds, and greater security compared to traditional centralized systems. Finally, remember that every node in the network contributes to validation and resilience, making the entire system stronger and more reliable. Understanding peer-to-peer networks is essential for grasping how blockchain and cryptocurrencies truly work. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lesson.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.